Tara guys, kain tayo ng pomelo. Ayon po sa Healthline, ito ay highly nutritious. It is an excellent source of vitamin C. Nako, excellent source of vitamin C. Na nakakatulong para sa ating immune system. Ano pa ba ang full of fiber. Tapos may promote weight loss. Rich in antioxidants. Wow! Which can help prevent and reverse cellular damage caused by free radicals. So kain talaga tayo ng pomelo guys. Ito naman ay may boost heart health. Nakatulong din pala ito sa kalusugan sa ating puso. Masarap, matamis. Matamis siya guys. Ito ay galing Pomelo Davao. Oh, nakakatulong din sa anti-aging. Meron siyang anti-aging properties. Wow. Maybe antibacterial and antifungal. Dami mga health benefits guys. May fight cancer cells and prevent the spread of cancer. Ayan, napakadaling gamitin ng pomelo guys. Pwede mong ihalo sa vegetable salad. Or pwedeng kahit ganyan lang, solo lang. Maganda talaga yung pomelo Davao kasi napakatamis talaga guys. So, ang pomelo is a highly nutritious fruit that's low in calories and full of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. So, kain na tayo guys ng pomelo.